like to talk a little bit about exporting data from the Lot Wizard system. I'm here on the Inventory List tab, looking at all my vehicles, and for whatever reason I'd like to export some of this data so I can open up an Excel or send it to a third party or manipulate this data outside of Lot Wizard. I'm going to come over here and choose the Report Designer button. And up here in the top left you see Report or Data Export tab-delimited. Tab-delimited is the type of file that we will create. I have to choose Data Export, and I see Fields to Export include field names. So what this means is we're going to build a list here of the fields we want to export, and the include field names means put a label at the top of each column. I'm going to go ahead and check that, turn that on. And come down here and click this first item, and you can see it becomes a list. And then here are all the database fields for my inventory. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to choose stock number, and when I choose the first field, then I get another one. And I'm going to continue choosing the fields that I want. I'm going to choose year, and come down and choose make, and model, and trim level. And you can continue choosing any field that you want that we store in our system about your vehicles. Serial number, that's the VIN number. So I've got the fields I want here in the list. I'm going to come over here to the right hand side and you can see runtime filter. This means all records displayed. I could choose a filter that I have saved in the system, like the all Fords filter we created in my previous video. I'm going to leave it on all because I want all my vehicles in here. First sort none, I can come down here and choose a field to sort by. So if I choose the stock number, it'll sort all of my vehicles by the stock number, ascending or descending, and if they match, which they won't, you can choose more sorts. So now I'm ready. I want to choose a default file location. Where do we want to save this file on my computer? I'm going to come down here, choose my documents, and put it in my downloads folder. And let me move this so you can see it here. File name, I'm going to say inventory data. You can call that whatever you want. Save as type, and you can see .tab, .xls, or .text. All these field types or file types will choose the extension. They're all going to be tab delimited. It's just your preference which you'd like to save it as. I'm going to go ahead and leave it on tab, and I'm going to hit save there. And now we've got everything set. I'm going to hit export now. And it's going to have me save the file in that folder with my name. 40 records exported. So I just exported 40 cars. And let's go out here. I'm done with the data export. If I want to save this format for later, I can say inventory data format, so I don't have to build this file again. Then you can just load them here. The load button will bring up all your saved ones. I'm going to go ahead and exit, so I'm done here. I want to look in that folder where I saved the file. And you can see here's my inventory data.tab file. And I'm going to go ahead and open this up. And you can see, if I size this here appropriately, you can see I've got my vehicle data here, my stock number, my year, make, model, my trim level, and my serial number. These don't look like they're quite lining up, but that's because they're different field lengths. You can copy this data or open it up in Excel or another database program, and the data export makes it really easy to work with and manipulate your data outside of Lot Wizard. If you'd like to learn more about reports and exports and what we can do with this data, please watch my next video.